Hi, I'm Sydney, and today we are going to be talking about perimeter and area. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. To find perimeter, we do length plus width plus length plus width, or 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. I personally like to do length plus width plus length plus width. The unit for perimeter is linear units. This means we would label perimeter in centimeters, meters, yards, etc. Now I'm going to give you an example where we are going to find the perimeter. So first we can tell that this length is congruent to this length, so we'll label this 7 meters. And we can see that this length is congruent to this length, so we'll label this 4 meters. And again, to find the perimeter, we do length plus width plus length plus width, or 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So now we can then write the length 7 plus the width, which is 4, and plus 7 again, which is the length, plus 4, which is the width, which equals 22. So we can then say the perimeter of this rectangle is 22 meters. Now we are going to find the perimeter of a square. A square has 4 sides and 4 right angles that are all congruent. So this means if we are given one side length, then we are given all the side lengths because all the side lengths are congruent. So now we can write that all of these side lengths are 11 centimeters. And now we can find the perimeter and do 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11, which equals 44. So we can then say that 44 centimeters is the perimeter of the square. So let's say I wanted to put a fence around my garden. My garden has a length of 7 feet and a width of 5 feet. I need to measure the distance outside my garden to see how many fences I need to buy. So we have to find the perimeter of my garden. So we are going to do 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5, which equals 24, which is 24 feet. So now we know that I need 24 feet worth of materials to have a fence around my garden. Now we are going to talk about area. Area is the measure of space in a 2D shape. To find area, we multiply length by width. I'm now going to give you an example where we are going to find the area. So let's say I have a rectangle with a length of 4 yards and a width of 2 yards. To find the area, we multiply the length, which is 4, times 2, which is the width, which equals 8. Now the unit for area is squared units. So instead of writing the area as 8 yards, we are going to write 8 yards squared. So the area of this rectangle is 8 yards squared. Now I'm going to give you guys one last example. So let's say I wanted to put carpet in my room and I need to know how much carpet I need to cover my floor. So I need to find the area of my room to see how much carpet I need. The length of my room is 10 feet and the width of my room is 8 feet. So to find the area, I multiply length, which is 10, times 8, which is the width, which equals 80. An area is measured in square units, so I need 80 feet squared worth of carpet. So in conclusion, perimeter is measuring the distance outside of a shape, and area is measuring the space inside a 2D shape.